Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony DSX-MS60 Marine radio and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this radio not connecting to your devices or not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if it's not working, not responding, it seems to be freezing, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason you might want to do this is, and you'll need to do this either way, is if you want to set this up as a new radio, maybe you're moving it to a new boat or something like that, for whatever reason you just want to get started fresh like it just came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is find the reset button on here, and the reset button on this radio is actually behind the front panel. So all you need to do is go ahead and take the front panel off, so make sure it's turned off. Once it's turned off, you're going to press and hold this open button. The top's going to kind of fold down. You'll shift it to the right and pull it out from the left side first. And then you'll need a pen or a paper clip or something like that. And right about here behind the front panel, there is a reset button. You can just press and hold that reset button for about a second, at which point you can restore the front panel and it will be reset.